All right, we are here for the drawing, and yes, one of you guys pick for the 10th pick in the draft. Longshanks.
1981.
Stash with the 10th pick in the draft. That's now you. You're picking Stash.
1985.
1985.
Costa.
Costa with the 9th pick in the draft. $1990.
Pipe.
Pipe. Pipe with the 8th pick in the draft. Mike, you're up.
1995.
1995 was a good year for me, I think.
Brad.
Brad with the 7th pick in the draft.
1998.
With the 6th pick in the draft. Ryan Vetter. With the 5th pick in the draft. This is going to be me.
It's the golden
They're holding
pick.
on that.
That's
Shit.
the golden pick right
1980. Brian with the 5th pick in the draft. Holy shit.
there. 1991.
Oh shit, I'm in the top 3. 1991,
It's Meso.
Meso with the 4th pick in the draft. There you go, champ. With the 3rd pick in the draft.
1966.
That's me.
Is it?
That's a shitty pick.
That is a shitty pick, actually.
Yeah. With the 2nd pick in the draft. It's me?
Is it you?
Wait, how's it go?
Yeah, it's you.
Yeah, law and order, Mike. Come on. Law and order. 1988. Elias. And who does that leave?
Leaves me.
Get the fuck out of here. You're the first pick in the draft. Atta boy.
I don't have to change my name now.
That's the draft, boys. Let's get this straight. This is the top 10 right here. Stash, Costa, Pipe, Brad, Ryan, Brian, Chris Meso, me, Elias, and Mike.